Hey cakers and bakers, welcome back to my sugar rush. A while ago I did an unboxing on Snibbs Footwear and I wanted to give you guys an update as well as another unboxing. So I've been wearing these shoes pretty heavily for the last several months. At first I really only wore them in the kitchen, but over time I've been wearing them every day when I go and run errands, when I'm working, when I'm doing really anything. I am practically always wearing these shoes. You can see they're just a little worn out and dirty. These would easily wipe clean if I took the time to wipe them clean. I just wanted to show you guys what they look like without me taking the time to clean them. Now these shoes are pretty fabulous and I do wear black a lot, but I do love pops of color if you can't tell. So I've been wanting to get myself another pair, but they typically only carry black, gray, and white. But today is our lucky day because they are coming out with a limited edition tie-dye version. So let's go ahead and unbox these new shoes. So I've already taken the shoebox out of its original packaging that it was shipped to me in, and this is what it looks like. I was just too excited. So let's open it up. It is so pretty. Of course, it comes with a little card telling you to share it to social media. It looks like they changed their hashtags. Before it was in Snibbs We Trust. Now it's hashtag treat your feet with Snibbs, or just simply hashtag Snibbs. Now on to the shoes. Looks like the white version of their shoe that's just been dip dyed in all of these fun colors. So you have some navy colors, purple, you have a little bit of yellow and pinks in there. And how exciting! It matches my shirt. If you have not watched the original unboxing of my black version of these shoes, then let me just give you a quick rundown. These shoes are specifically made for working individuals, such as those who work in the kitchen or work in hospitals, who are constantly on their feet and they need just a little bit of extra support. They have nice traction on the bottom to keep you from slipping. It has like a kind of a swimsuit material on the top that is waterproof, so that is really amazing in the kitchen and really easy to clean as well. These shoes are pretty durable and they have held up really well. I've traveled with them, I've gone on airplanes, I've done competitions with them, and I have been on my feet constantly, and I love wearing these shoes, and I pretty much will just stop wearing any other shoes that I have, especially when I'm working. They are just slip-ons that can be tightened up, so I typically wear a size 8 to 8.5, and so I ordered the 8.5 on these shoes. Now, at first, they're a little bit hard to get on, but over time, they're a lot easier to slip on. But I do prefer shoes that are a little bit tighter. I do not like loose shoes, especially when I'm in a competition and I want to make sure that I don't slip and fall. Oh, and bonus, there is extra shoelaces. I forgot about that. They were kind of hidden in the bottom of the box. The last pair had them as well. These ones are kind of a light gray. They're a little bit reflective. And the other ones that come on these shoes, they are tie-dye. So I don't know which ones I prefer. I kind of like the extra added color here. But if I want to go reflective like my last pair, I might switch up to these. I have not decided on that just yet. All right, let's try these on. Here's the tie-dye version of the shoes. I love the speckled bottoms. I love the colors. I think they're absolutely fabulous. And of course, the nice little logo there. So everyone knows what I'm wearing. Now, just like before, I'm gonna do the water test to show you that these are completely waterproof. Look how amazing that is. Okay, here are my old shoes compared to my new shoes. I'm definitely going to be wearing both of these all the time, and I'll just switch back and forth depending on my mood for the day. So my overall review of these shoes is I love them. I'll continue to wear them practically every single day. I wear them when I run my errands, when I'm working in the kitchen. I'm on my feet constantly, and I typically have really bad hips from standing on my feet using terrible shoes for far too long. And I can happily say that I finally have reduced my pain just enough that I feel comfortable exercising again. I've been running on the treadmill just a little bit, not very much, but that's still improvement for me. And I'm just really excited to finally get rid of some of that hip pain. It's not a permanent fix, but it has helped even just in the last several months by wearing proper shoes that are really meant to support you when you are a working individual constantly on your feet. I think these shoes deserve 2 thumbs up, 5 stars, and a gold sticker. I hope you guys give them a chance and see what they can do for your feet as well. Thank you so much for stopping by, and while you're here, why don't you go check out some of these other videos? Okay, thanks. Bye.